Right, today we're going to bring a towel rack. Now everything's included, including the instructions, including adhesive. All right, you could tape it in case you don't want to drill on your actual tile, but we actually put it on the drywall. We're going to use the drywall mounts today, so let's go ahead and do that and set it up. Assembly was easy. It didn't take that much long. All right, I put in the actual screws for the drywall. If you guys can see, I like that you could lift this thing up and actually have more room. Now these hooks, you don't have to add them in there. If you guys can see, you don't have to add them or do anything. They automatically come in there. All you got to do is make sure that this marries the actual main pole. One single pole is actually holding the two racks in here. I like that you could put it in 90-degree angle.
Hi, today we have a towel rack for the bathroom. It's adjustable, so it's great to hang your towels and also any type of sponges that you might have at bath time. It's adjustable, so if you need to put it up, all you have to do is move it up like this, or you could set it down. Stainless steel. It can be screwed onto certain walls. You can also place things on the top rack if you'd like, for multiple uses.